What's up?
How you feeling?
Good for now. Yeah, not throwing up yet.
We're about to go race. Chicago Mac race.
We've been training for the last 3-4 weeks.
Some of which won't apply because they've been doing a lot of preparation with the spinnaker, which we will not see.
Yeah, we're mostly going upwind.
Well, I'm really looking forward to sleeping on the rail. I slept standing up, I slept in ditches and trenches, never slept on the rail hiking out.
Last time we sailed together, we almost sank a J-22. It ain't happening this time.
That was a sonar.
I think we're ready.
Have fun. Don't lose your lunch. Thanks, Chris. Yeah.
Painfully on the butt. But it's been fun though. I mean, it's still an enjoyable sail. I mean, the worst was pretty much the first day.
Wet, rough and cold.
Winds calmed down a little bit, maybe a little too much in some areas where we went to where we shouldn't have. We're looking at Gray's Reef hopefully here soon, and we'll be passing through that little passage and make our right turn to continue upwind because the wind apparently keeps following us.
We're probably about 10 nautical miles, just about ready to go under the Mackinac Bridge. And we're really excited. This race has given us just about everything.
We worked hard. Lake Michigan didn't give up a single mile. We worked for every single one. We earned it. We did it. And now we're coming into the finish.
What a month we have had, huh?
Yeah.
We made it.
It's all our fingers and toes even.
We made it. Mackinac Island. First real offshore race for warrior sailors. So 4 years of kind of planning or seeing this through, and now we've completed our first race. Improvement, lots of improvements to be made, but managing expectations, we all made it here and everyone's happy, and we worked really hard. That was not an easy race, that's for sure. So happy to be here. Now it's time to improve. You can do it. It's all good.